Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the PrimeXBT application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in PrimeXBT and start your search. Once you find the PrimeXBT trading platform application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, which will then begin the download and installation of the PrimeXBT app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. And now you can start logging in to your existing account or sign up to create a new one and start trading with PrimeXBT right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the PrimeXBT application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.